Okay, the seal for the gland, if you'll notice this side right here turns around like this. It'll be toward the piston area. So I've warmed it up. I'm going to take another attempt to get this in here. I think we're better off to bend this. It's got to be hotter. It needs to be bent like this to where you can fold it up, stick it in there and let it expand back out. Okay, let's try this one on the piston here. See if I can get it around here. Okay, it went around there with hardly no trouble at all. Remember, your O-ring is in under there, which keeps this expanded outward against the cylinder bore. Okay, so that one's really no problem. All you have to do on the rest of it, slide this piston ring on here, and that takes care of the seals on your piston there. And when you put this in, you're going to have to be careful not to scar either one of these up on the inside of the tube where your wire goes, because it's wider, it'll fit down in there. You need to use A white lube is what the book calls for, to lube this up. And this right here, these seals right here, to get these in here without tearing them up.